Real estate investors retire decades earlier than 401k savers because they control their money instead of waiting for permission to access it. Your 401k locks up your cash until you're 59 and a half. That's the government deciding when you get financial freedom. But real estate puts you in the driver's seat from day one. Here's what most people miss. When you buy rental property, you're getting paid monthly while your asset appreciates. Your tenant literally pays down your mortgage while you build equity. Meanwhile, your 401k sits there doing nothing until retirement age. The math is wild. A typical 401k might give you 8 to 12% returns annually if you're lucky. But real estate gives you multiple profit streams. Cash flow from rent, appreciation over time, tax deductions, and mortgage paydown. That's 4 ways to make money on one investment. Plus, you can access your real estate equity anytime through refinancing or selling. No penalties, no waiting for some arbitrary age. If you need money for another deal or life happens, you're not stuck. I've seen people build enough passive income from just 3 rental properties to quit their jobs in their 30s. Try doing that with a 401k. You'd need to save for decades and pray the market doesn't crash right before you retire. The biggest difference is control. Your 401k depends on market performance you can't influence. But with real estate, you pick the property, the location, the tenant. You can force appreciation through improvements. You can raise rents with market conditions. Stop letting Wall Street hold your financial future hostage. Real estate gives you the keys to freedom on your timeline, not theirs. Join the Finance Shark subscribers for more strategies.